And baby, I could never
Steal you from another.
Could I steal you from another, sweetie?
There is no other for me, honey.
Oh, jeez. A purple rain. I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain. I only wanted one time to see you laughing. I only wanted to see you laughing in the purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. Purple rain, purple rain. La-di-da-di-da-di-da-di-dum-bum.
I only wanted to steal you from another.
Okay, all right. Should we get started?
Yeah, okay.
Should we add that song to the show?
No,
Why not?
because it wasn't very good.
Hey, everybody! Okay, welcome back to the show. And welcome back to
BOOZHOO!
Not
Not
a
a
BOOZHOO,
BOOZHOO.
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. Isn't that right, sweetie?
It sure is.
And today, what do you think? What should be the Ojibwe word of the day?
Oh, I don't know. You want to talk about that Ojibwe saying?
Oh, you mean the great winds? Yeah, so I was watching The Sopranos, and there was a note on the wall there, and it was like an Ojibwe saying. I think it was something like, sometimes I go about in pity for myself when all along a great wind carries me across the sky. Oh, wow. It's pretty powerful, huh?
I know, I love that.
Sometimes I go about in pity for myself. Sometimes I go about in, what is it now? NIZHAAWENIMAA. NIZHAAWENIMAA. That's what it is.
Oh, wow.
NIZHAAWENIMAA. Sometimes I go about in pity for myself. NIZHAAWENIMAA. NIZHAAWENIM. Pity. And I pity myself. NIZHAAWENIMAA. Let's make that the Ojibwe word. I pity myself. Sometimes I go about in pity for myself when all along a great wind, a chi-nuden, a great wind carries me across the sky. Across the Ishpemining. Sometimes a chi-nuden carries me across the Ishpemining, the sky. And back in the days of the grandfathers, the elders, they would tell us, this is for the kids. And so, I'm not here to give advice to grown-ups. But for you kids, listen to your elder. Nah. The elders would tell us, the grandfathers would say, sometimes even the bad times, actually all the time, your bad times, one day you're going to look back and you're going to go, you know what? I was tough, but I'm glad it happened.
Yeah, huh?
The hard times are what made me strong, and it's what makes it possible for me to appreciate anything. You can't appreciate being healthy until you've been sick. And you can't appreciate having money unless you've ever been broke. So the elders, they knew sometimes you go about pitying yourself. Sometimes you think, oh wow, nothing good ever happens. Life is just hard, but you got to hold on, because all the while a great wind carries me across the sky. All the while, Gitche Manadu, there's a plan. Trust me. Hang on. All right. So that's enough preaching for today. Nah. Okay. Honey, you want to add anything to this?
No, Just remind them to go to Patreon.
Oh yeah, hey, you know what? I want to tell everyone miigwech for the patron supporters. Patreon, I don't know how it's called. You guys, y'all, we couldn't do the show without you, and your financial support is really appreciated.
Yeah.
Really, thank you so much. You know, if you don't have a whole lot of bread, don't worry about it. But if you'd like to support the show, click the link, and you know, we really appreciate it. Oh, also, it's Christmas time. So there's a link down here to Amazon, and there's a whole bunch of Michael Lyons books for sale, and you can buy some, and they're all like Ojibwe books, children's books, and that. All right. Well, hey, I rattled on long enough. I want to say, miigwech bizendawieg. Thank you for listening to
BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO.
the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, min, minawa, hawa. All right, how was that?
Oh, you did just great.
All right, thanks.